Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a VW Tiguan, guys, and we'll show you where you can find the intake runner control solenoid, guys, solenoid valve. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. Now, quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and on a VW Tiguan, guys, we'll have guys more than 300 to 400 repair videos. We just got that thing and we'll be taking completely apart and we'll put them on our channels. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So by subscribing, guys, and liking the video, we'll keep providing that, you'll help us provide that free information to you. Now, if you need to buy a new solenoid valve, guys, for your intake runner control, or if you need to buy any parts too, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let me open the hood, support it, and I'll show you where you can expect to find it. This is a 2014 model VW Tiguan, guys, but it should work on the whole generation, first generation from year 2007 to year 2017, guys. And before we start, okay, let me clarify something, guys. Okay, I want to introduce you to our channels. All the mechanical videos taking the engine apart, the whole car apart, pretty much will be on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. So please subscribe, guys. All the mechanical videos will be published there. What you're watching now, World Mechanics, it's more of an informational channel, teaches you where different components are located and different tricks about your vehicle. Now, if you guys want to see diagnostic videos, diagnostic for engine light, airbag light, fuses, relays, they will be on our electrical channel that's called Electrical Car Repair Live. So now, guys, once you open the hood, where is that intake runner control valve? We need to go ahead, okay, and remove the engine cover. You have 4 bushings that it attaches to, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just grab it, okay, and pull it, guys. Sometimes it will be stuck. I pre-loosen ours. It has, okay, those are the bushings, and they attach right here to the valve cover. Okay, you can see those ball mounts. So I'll get that thing out of the way. Now, where is, guys, that solenoid, okay, for the intake runner control valve? The intake runner control valve, this is your intake, that's where the car is getting its air from. This is the intake control right here, guys, and it moves, that thing opens and closes by vacuum. And if you follow that line, okay, this right here, guys, okay, this device inside right there, this is, okay, right here, this is your intake runner control solenoid. That's where it's located, guys. It has 2 vacuum hoses, okay, 2 vacuum hoses, guys, and a wire, I believe, on the back side. And you can see one of the vacuum goes to the intake control, runner control, and the other vacuum comes, okay, from the vacuum system of the vehicle, guys, okay, which goes, you can see, to the vacuum pump right here. So that's where it's located. If you want to see the replacement video, guys, we'll have it on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Please check it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.